Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. The other day in one of my classes, a couple of students were busy chatting in a breakout room. I dropped into the room to listen to what they were talking about, and as I was there, the child of one of my students suddenly appeared on screen. It was her son, and I guess he must be 3 or 4 years old. He plonked himself down on her lap and then proceeded to fidget and started whispering in her ear and was generally trying to distract her while she was talking. Amazingly, she managed to carry on and finish what she was saying, at which point I observed, "Hey, you've got your work cut out for you there." If you say that someone's got or someone has their work cut out for them, you mean that they've got something very difficult to do and that it's going to take a real effort to manage to do it. So, for example, if someone takes over a football team who've been having a terrible season, or maybe you become the new head teacher of a failing school, you've got your work cut out for you there. It's going to be very, very difficult for you to turn things around and to help the team or the school do better. Maybe if you're trying to get a whole load of work done ahead of a deadline, one of your friends might say, "God, it's a lot of work to get done by the end of the week. If you're going to meet that deadline, you're going to really have your work cut out for you." And maybe you buy a cheap apartment and it's in a bit of a state, but you decide you want to do it up. You move in and you start working on it and you realise how much work you're going to have to do. When people ask you how the new flat is, how the work's going, you might say, "Well, we've started on it, but we now realise that we're really going to have our work cut out for us with the house, with the apartment." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comments section below. We'd love to see examples of how you might use "have your work cut out for you."